Mandocas, a cornmeal fritter popular in Latin America, particularly Venezuela and Colombia, and this is how you make them. First off, peel a ripe plantain, which kind of looks like a banana, but absolutely is not the same. Boil them in some hot water for about 10 minutes. Put it in a food processor with some Queso Blanco. It's a white cheese popular in Latin America that crumbles really well and doesn't melt. I'm pulsing it a little to break up the plantain, then adding some brown sugar, cornmeal, and some warm water. Run the food processor until everything is fairly well blended, then empty it into a bowl. If it's too crumbly and not holding together, add some more water. Because cornmeal is coarse, it might feel a little crumbly, but as long as it holds together and can be shaped, it's good to go. I divided the dough into eighths, and here you can try a number of different shapes. The classic is this kind of loop that's connected on one end, but I also experimented with a ring shape and a stick shape. Once you get some hot oil going, start frying those babies up. Look golden brown like you see here. Make sure you put them in the oil carefully. They're kind of delicate before it's fried and can break apart easily, so I like to put them on the spatula and place them in the oil. Once they're fried, they firm up quite nicely. Next, we're making the Nata dip, which is a cream dip. It's pretty much just thickened heavy cream with some whipping, and then add some lime or lemon juice with some seasoning. I seasoned with some smoked paprika. Just be careful not to over whip it until it's like a whipped cream, but more similar to the consistency of sour cream or Greek yogurt. Also, what's great about this dish is, yes, it takes some patience to shape, but you can freeze them and fry them up when you want them. The first time we had these were at a Venezuelan restaurant. We were absolutely hooked and we craved them all the time, so I found a recipe and found out how easy it was to make them, and it tasted as good as a restaurant. If you love sweet and savory, you are going to absolutely fall in love with these.